Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Analytics with Amrita. So today we are going to solve a question where we have to find order details from a particular month of a particular area, particular year. So like as you can see, we have first let me delete this, and as you can see here it is mentioned, write a query SQL query to get all the details of the orders. First, we will write a query for this one only. So for that, we have to write select star from orders. Orders is a table name, which you can see here in the system database. So there are tables, and in the master database there is a table name as orders. So we will use that. We are using orders table. So by putting star in the query, we will get all the orders. Okay. So here it is mentioned what is the condition here. So we will go through the condition now. Order placed in the month. Month is the condition, and order placed in the month. So from where we will get this data, the order placed date. So that we will get from the order date. So we will write here where, we will use where keyword to put the condition. So we will write where order date. To get this directly, we will click on this and we will type, uh, we will click tab from the keyboard, and we will get that directly. Where order date between, we will use between keyword here. And why we are using between keyword here? Because we are working with a time frame, we are working with a date frame, you can say, like for 1 month or 2 month or 3 month. So we have a particular month in from where we have to find it. Why we are not using like? Because we are not using like because here there is no pattern here. But you will say, like, in order date there is a pattern, like first it is mentioned year, then this and this. But no, we are not going to use a like here, because we are working with a date frame. So we will use between here. Whenever we are working with a date, uh, a particular for a particular time frame or particular month or particular year, we will use between, not like, because like is a wildcard, and uh, we use it for pattern matching. Okay. So we will use between, and then we will put a colon, inverted comma, sorry. And between this we will write what is the year, 2020. Then we will mention 12 as the December month, and then we will write 01 because this is the first day of December. And in between we will, after this we will put and, because we want a date frame from 1st December to 30th December, 31st December. So again we will put inverted comma, and again we will write 2020 12 31st. Okay. So and then we will put colon here, and we will run our query. Let's see what we are getting. So here we are, like we got all the date order details in between, placed between 1st December to 31st December. Let's do the same thing for if we want order details between uh, 1st December to 31st January. Then what we will do, just change the year, and we will change the month as well. So this is done. So now we will get the orders details, like all the order placed between 1st December to 31st January. Let's execute this. Now you can see, like 21st 2021 as the year, January as month. Okay. Also, if you want let me type this. If you want orders placed after, if you want order placed after December month, like the December is not included, 2020 December is not included, then what we will do? We'll greater 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 than sign, and we will write our date in inverted commas. And what is the date? If we don't want a order placed uh, if we don't want order placed in December and we want order placed after December of 2022, then we have to mention like what is the greater than date. The order placed date should be this. This is the last date of 2020 and December month. So this is the 31st December, whatever the we will get in the result, that will be after 31st December. Let me execute this and you will get the result here. As you can see, there is the order placed in July, April month, August month, July month, March, September, October. Yeah, as you can see this, there are different months, but the order placed before 31st, it is not mentioned here. So this is how you can get uh, orders placed for a particular time frame or from a particular date. Thank you.